Makeid D50 label printer review. Built like a tank or just hype? You know that sinking feeling when chaos rules your workshop, wires look identical, and half your bins scream mystery instead of order? You waste hours scribbling, redoing, or worse, guessing. Tools slip through cracks, cables vanish into tangles, and focus goes out the window. Instead of building momentum, frustration multiplies. Organization feels like chasing smoke you can't catch. Stress peaks when projects pile up, supervisors want instant clarity, and missing tags turn into costly mistakes. Every mislabel eats away at confidence. Every overlooked detail drains motivation. Suddenly, burnout is breathing down your neck, and missed chances are stacking up. You're not just losing labels, you're losing time, accuracy, and trust. And it stings every single shift. Meet the Makeid D50 industrial label printer, the no-nonsense solution that flips chaos into clarity. Built for job sites, warehouses, IT racks, and shop floors, it pairs a 2-inch industrial print head with rugged durability and a 2,600 mAh battery that runs all day. Labels stick tough, even on metal, plastic, or oily cables, thanks to a specially tested adhesive. Print barcodes, QR codes, safety markers, or serialized tags in seconds, either straight from your phone's Bluetooth app editor or via PC software for batch imports. Need labels on site? Use the full QWERTY keyboard and backlit display for quick typing. No phone required. Imagine an electrician mid-job, breakers open, wires everywhere, deadlines closing in. With the D50, sequential cable labels roll out in minutes, clear, durable, and professional, turning potential meltdown into smooth progress. Add an auto cutter for clean edges and 300 dot per inch resolution for crisp readability, and suddenly labeling feels less like a chore and more like a superpower. The benefits ripple everywhere. Workflows streamline, mistakes vanish, and your setup instantly looks pro-level. An industrial tools outlet raved. Wide format labels from a compact chassis with job site battery power make this a practical pick for trades. A labeling publication praised. The 2-inch head dramatically improves legibility at distance. Analysts highlight its balance of portability and enterprise-grade features like batch printing. Influencers back it up. One electrician gushed, "Designing on my phone and printing on the latter is a game changer. No more handwriting or truck runs." A warehouse YouTuber said, "Spreadsheet import cut a 2-hour relabeling job down to 20 minutes. Real users echo it." An IT manager noted, "Rack rails look professional, QR codes scan first try." A foreman added, "Battery life is solid, printed all day, starter roll lasted longer than expected." Facility staff celebrate readability. Wider tape means fewer crammed lines. Our team reads labels faster. And a small manufacturer nailed it. Once templates are saved, anyone can reprint instantly. Zero training needed. The verdict? The Makeid D50 doesn't just print. It transforms control, safety, and credibility. Isn't that what every team craves? Don't wait while clutter eats your time. Stock is running low. Secure yours now and join the growing wave of pros upgrading to durable, wide-format labels that stick and last. Why keep struggling with guesswork and half-faded tags when a rugged solution is right here? Act fast, claim your Makeid D50, and bring order to the chaos. Thousands already trust it. Today's the day you join them. The printer is ready. The question is, are you?